Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is how you can use sulfuric acid in water treatment process. There is much use of sulfuric acid in water treatment. It is used as preservation in food and for material, and it is also used as a water dysfunction agent. Sulfuric acid is also one of most potent discant known. It can pull moisture out of drinking water, making him perfectly suitable for water treatment. While this article will focus on the industrial use of sulfuric acid, you will also find may service for this powerful chemical in your own home. Let's take a good at different benefits of sulfuric acid. Use sulfuric acid in water treatment is disinfect water. Sulfuric acid is a powerful decent to use sulfuric acid in water treatment. It can pull moisture out of drinking water and making it perfect for use in water treatment. It is also used in an industrial process to protect against contaminants. It is a popular preservation in food and for material. It can be used to cleanse water with its sulfuric diode gas. Use of sulfuric acid in water treatment to remove smell and taste. This is how sulfuric acid can be used in water treatment. It is escapably useful in kitchen, where many dishes contain unpleasant flavors that can be eliminated with the help of sulfuric acid. Additionally, sulfuric acid is often used as a treatment for dirt, dust, and out residues by using sulfuric acid to clean surface. You are removing any bullet up toxin and chemical that may have missed in previous treatment. Reduce taste and add over sulfuric acid is a available addition of water treatment because it can reduce the taste of odor of water. When used with other chemical, this can create a perfect solution of eliminating any of the offenses smell or taste from your water. When used in a concentration of around 10%, it can remove unpleasant odor and flavor from water. This is essential for sulfuric acid because bacteria cause many illnesses, and bacteria in water can make you sick. Give drinking water a taste. Sulfuric acid is a powerful decent when used in water treatment. It can pull moisture out of drinking water, making it perfect for use in water treatment. Sulfuric acid can also be used as a preservation in foods and for material chemical documentation. Sulfuric acid is a valuable addition of water treatment because it can reduce the taste of odor of the water. When used with other chemical, this can create a perfect solution for eliminating any offensive smell or taste from your water. When used a concentration of around 10%, it can remove unpleasant odor and flavor from water. The essential for sulfuric acid because bacteria cause many illness, and bacteria in water can make you sick. Giving drinking water a taste. Sulfuric acid is a powerful decent when used in water treatment. It can pull moisture out of drinking water, making it perfect for use in water treatment. Sulfuric acid can also be used as preservative in foods and pharmaceutical medical documentation. One of the most common application of sulfuric acid is a chemical decontamination. There is where it is used to clean surface that have been contaminated with harmful chemical or radiation. It is essential to ensure that the around is aerated before treatment. When using sulfuric acid, this will prevent any water droplet from being created and help prevent and bacteria from growing. Kill bacteria. Sulfuric acid can be used in water treatment to kill bacteria. When used in water treatment, it can kill bacteria. In fact, a study published in Journal of Water Research found of sulfuric acid sulfuric acid was capable of killing more than 99% of waterborne bacteria tested. When used correctly, it can kill a wide variety of bacteria, including Amura, and using sulfuric acid to kill these bacteria will help prevent them from causing any harm to your water or environment. This is important because bacteria can cause water intoxication, when can lead to serious health complications. Dechlorination is an essential step in water treatment and help to keep your water clean and healthy.